Hello, let us solve one question from GATE 2021 Mathematics Real Analysis. The question is, let f is a function from r square to r be given by f of xy is equal to 4xy minus 2x square minus y to the power 4. Then f has option A point of local maximum and saddle point, option B, a point of local minimum and saddle point, option C, a point of local maximum and a point of local minimum, option D, two saddle point. Here, the given function f from r square to r is f of xy is equal to 4xy minus 2x square minus y to the power. Now, partial derivative with respect to x is equal to 4y minus 4x and partial derivative with respect to y, which is equal to 4x minus 4y cube. Now, take fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. Then we get 4y minus 4x is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to y. Now, fy is equal to 0. This implies that 4x minus 4y cube is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to y cube. Now, we have two conditions, that is x is equal to y and x is equal to y cube. So, we get for x is equal to 1, minus 1 and 0, we satisfy both the condition like x is equal to y and x is equal to y cube. So, the critical points are 0, 0 and 1, 1 and minus 1, minus 1. Now, we have to check that where these are saddle point or point of local maximum or point of local minimum. Now, for extremum point, the condition will be f of xy whole square minus f of xx into f of yy should be less than 0. Then, which point satisfy this condition should be extremum point. And then we check f xx greater than 0 or less than 0. If f xx greater than 0, then this extremum point will be point of local minimum, and if f xx less than 0, then this extremum point will be point of local maximum. And we can also check this for fyy, and it is also same for like fxx, means if fyy at this point greater than 0, then point of local minimum, and if fyy at that point is less than 0, then this will be point of maximum. Now, f of xy is equal to 4xy minus 2x square minus y to the power 4. Then f of x is equal to 4y minus 4x, f of xx is equal to minus 4, f of y is equal to 4x minus 4y cube, f of yy is equal to minus 12y square, and f of xy is equal to 4. Now, critical points are 0, 0, 1, 1 and minus 1, minus 1. Now, f xy at point 0, 0 whole square minus f xx 0, 0 into f yy 0, 0 is equal to 16 minus minus 4 into 0, which is equal to 16 greater than 0. So, it is not a extremum point. This implies that it is a saddle point. So, 0, 0 is a saddle point. Now, for critical point 1, 1, f of xy 1, 1 whole square minus f of xx 1, 1 into f of yy 1, 1, which is equal to 16 minus minus 4 into minus 12, which is equal to 16 minus 48, which is clearly less than 0. So, the point 1, 1 is a extremum point. Now, since the point 1, 1 is an extremum point, so we have to check that whether it is point of local maximum or point of local minimum. Now, fyy is equal to minus 12y square. So, fyy at 1, 1 is equal to minus 12, which is less than 0. So, by condition 1, 1 point is a point of local maximum. Now, for critical point minus 1 fxy minus 1 whole square minus fxy minus 1 into fxx fyy minus 1 which is equal to 16 minus 4 into minus 12 which is equal to 16 minus 40 is less than 0. So minus 1 is also an extremum point. Now you have to check that minus 1 point is point of local maximum or local minimum. Now fyy minus 1 is equal to minus 12 which is less than 0. So minus 1 point is also point of local maximum. So we have three critical points 0, 0, 1, 1 and minus 1. Here 0, 0 point will be the saddle point and 1, 1 and minus 1, 1 is the point of local maximum. So we have one saddle point and two local maximum point. Now check the option. Option A stated a point of local maximum and a saddle point. True. Option B stated a point of local minimum and a saddle point, but we don't find any local minimum point, so option B is incorrect. Now for option C, a point of local maximum and a point of local minimum, it is also incorrect. Now option D, two saddle point, but we get only one saddle point, so option D is also incorrect. So for this question, option A is our correct answer. Thank you.